Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the exact video file you posted. If the original upload is still on your device, export or save it now. Otherwise, save from Instagram using the Save option or a quick screen recording. Make sure the file matches the posted resolution and duration so Roupload looks identical. Once done, note any captions, tags, or location data because you will need to re-enter them when you recreate the post. This step prevents losing metadata when you replace audio by Rouploading a muted file. Next, mute the audio using a simple editor on your phone or desktop. You can use iOS Photos, Android Gallery, QuickTime, or an app like CapCut. Open the saved video, find audio controls, and either set volume to 0 or detach and delete the audio track. Export the result as an MP4 at the original resolution to avoid compression artifacts. Make sure to preview the exported file to confirm video plays correctly without sound, and that lip sync is unchanged if any overlays remain. Finally, upload the muted video back to Instagram as a new post or reel, making sure to select the same cover frame and re-enter your original caption, tags, and location. Once the new post appears correctly, delete the old post to remove its audio. This is effectively the only reliable method to remove sound without losing the visual. If something goes wrong, check privacy settings, upload quality, and caption formatting, and re-export with slightly lower compression if Instagram flags the file during upload.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.